Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what is inside my makeup freelance kit. Last week I showed you what is inside my hair kit. So yeah, I'm really happy with how everything is sectioned off in my makeup kit. If you didn't get a chance to see what's inside my hair kit, I will link it down below for you guys so you can have a look at that. Yeah, I've really taken a lot of time and money to perfect my kit exactly how I want it. Having your kit so condensed and like perfect makes your job so much easier. So yeah, I really wanted to share this with you guys. So as many people as I can help, I am here for you guys. If you ever have any questions or anything about freelancing or ideas for your kit, please just sound off down below. I would be happy to reply to your comments. So yeah, I'm just going to stop blabbing now and get into showing you my makeup kit. Okay, so this is my makeup kit. I have this case that is from Muji and the MAC Zuka. So I'm just going to open this guy up and show you guys what's inside. Okay, so when you first open this one up here I have all of my mascaras and brow gels, and that is a lip prep in there. So yeah, super handy to have that. It does have these little things that you clip on here and clip on here to keep the top of the bag up like this, but I never really use them. So this is my skincare and prep, also foundations. So I keep baby wipes, the scented free, like fragrance free, sorry. Yeah, baby wipes. This is really good if you get there and they have a bit of makeup on already, or maybe you get a bit of fallout on their face and you need to use a wipe to wipe away the fallout before you go in with foundation. Then I just have some cotton rounds if you need to remove any eye makeup or anything like that. They're super handy to have. Then this little pride and joy is where I keep all of my paint pots and gel liners, and I still have one whole row that's completely empty. So I got this from like a little Asian $2 shop, and it has been one of the best purchases ever. So yeah, I have all of my paint pots in there that I have decanted, and it just makes life so much easier when you are doing freelancing, because then you don't have to bring a bunch of those heavy glass jars with you. Everything is just inside the one palette. So yes, I love this. One of the best purchases, definitely. If you can't find it in any Asian shops, you can try AliExpress. If I find one, I will link it down below. Then I have all of my products in here. So I'm going to start with this one. This is a little container that I got from Muji that has my foundations, concealers, and more skin prep in here. So yes, these are all of my Pro Longwear concealers. And I have my foundations. So I have a lot of face and body in my kit, Water Weight, and Studio Fix. If you guys don't know, those are MAC foundations. And I just keep like the lightest color, 2 medium shades, and then a dark color to yeah, make sure that I get everybody. But I also have these NYX Total Control drops foundations. So I have a dark one and a really pale one for mixing if I feel like I don't have the client's perfect shade. Then for prep and finishing, I have the Quick Fix Prep Spray and the All Nighter Finishing Spray from Urban Decay. I have some Ben Nye glitter glue. This stuff is awesome. And then I have the Lip Delicious, I think it's called. Yeah. So it's a lip protectant and it has SPF 25. This is really nice for prepping your client's lips. Then I just have some like random skincare bits. So I have Mineralized Charged Water Gel. This is a really beautiful moisturizer. Then I have, all of these are MAC by the way. Whoops. I have the Natural Radiance Primer, the Softening Lotion. This is amazing for people with dry skin. Oil Control Lotion. So this is the moisturizer I will reach for on people with oily skin. Then I have liquid bronzer and liquid blush for my older gals. So this is NARS Laguna and NARS Orgasm. All of these little containers here, the ones with the colored lids, I got from Daiso. And then these ones that are a little bit thinner and clear on the top, I got from Muji. And they're almost always out of stock, so I just grabbed all of them that they have on the shelf, and I have more in my little storage unit over there, my Alex drawers, in case my foundation collection grows and I need to use more of these, or I get like different colors and stuff like that. Okay, then I have some puffs, velour puffs. These are really nice for finishing like bridal or anything. I like to spray a bunch of Fix Plus on them and then press all the powders and everything together with a velour puff. These you can wash, so you can reuse them. I just got it from Scotty's, which is a makeup store here in Sydney, but you can find them like at Priceline and at the chemist, or even online. Some wedge sponges, just in case. You never know when you will need them. Then I have my palettes here. So this one is one that I got when I was working at MAC that I just keep in this pocket back here. And then this is a really big one that I got when I did my makeup course. So I use this one for foundations and like skin prep and all of that because it's really big. And then this one for like when I do eyelashes and anything to do with the eyes, I use that one. One of these other containers from Muji, and this one has compartments in it, so this is where I keep all of my cotton buds, mascara wands, and what's this? Oh, Duraline, in case any of my pigments, gel liners and paint pots go hard. And then I have some lip wands as well for lip gloss. Yeah, these ones are really awesome. I got them on AliExpress. They're super, super thin and they come to a point, so they're really good for sharpening up wing liner with a bit of makeup remover. And then on the side little pockets here, hopefully you guys can see, I know it's a bit dark, I apologize. I've got some tools, so I have tweezers, and then I have eyelash applicator. This is a MAC one. More tweezers, just in case, some really like thin ones. And then I have my spatula for decanting cream products. And then my eyelash scissors, these are MAC ones as well. So any of this like stuff from MAC, like tools and stuff like that, you can get like the palette and everything all from the Pro Store and freestanding stores. Then I have some Duo eyelash glue and some eyelash curlers. I got them both at Priceline. Now moving on to skincare. I have some essence from Duraleak, just a little mini one. This is really good for people who have super dry or dehydrated skin. What a water essence does is it helps other products absorb into the skin. So yeah, I really love that. I'm just trying to move along a bit quicker so this doesn't take as long. Randomly on here I have a liquid illuminator from Mecca. This is not in a specific color, it just says lit from within at the front, but yeah, it's really beautiful. It reminds me of like Soft and Gentle from MAC, like that sort of like pinky champagne-y color. Yeah, really nice. And then as well on this little side is all of my little mini prep guys. So I have the mixing medium here, this is the eyeliner mixing medium. This is really good for sticking on glitter or turning any powder or anything into eyeliner. So yeah, it's really good for like your creative side. And then I have some eye cream. This is Fast Response eye cream from MAC. I've just labeled the tops of these so it's super easy for me to find what I need and just pick it straight up when I need it. So I have some MAC strobe cream for illuminating, some lip conditioner. Again, a lot of this is from MAC because I worked there, so I know their products and I know they work. This is the Skin Refined Zone. So what this does, it's like a treatment for pores. I have the Step 1 primer from Makeup Forever, which is also a skin smoother, but this one oil controls. And then just in case I don't have enough stuff to tack glitter on, I have the Too Faced Glitter Glue Shadow Primer as well. I really like that one. On the other side here, just going around the perimeters, I have my MAC eyeliner and lip pencil sharpener. And then I have a illuminating primer from Mecca, and then a Makeup for Perfecting Mist. That's a really nice perfecting mist as well. Then I have some Bioderma. This is really good for people with sensitive skin. Any skin type, you can use it to remove makeup. Some of those really big oval pads, the really fat ones. Then for the rest of my skincare, I have Cetaphil. This is a really good daily moisturizer. It's got SPF 15 in it. Cetaphil can be used on any skin types. Then I have the, what's this one? I believe it's the Face and Body Mixing Medium. So this one, what it does, it's really liquidy. So if you have a foundation that is too thick or has too much coverage, but the color matches the client or something like that, you just put a couple drops of these and it makes it look like Face and Body foundation. It makes it look like their skin, basically. It shears out the product and makes it look more natural. So I really love having that in my kit because you never know. Then I have more makeup setting spray, but this one is the oil controlling one from Urban Decay, the De-Slick one. I have some brush cleanser. This one is the one from Scotty's that I've decanted into a smaller container. I just got all of these travel containers I just got from like Priceline or like the chemist. Then I have some Ben Nye Final Seal. So this is more for like cinematic makeup or like if you're doing face paints and stuff like that, which I do have face paints if I'm doing like Halloween makeup and stuff like that. So yeah, I just like to keep that in there all together so I don't lose anything. Then I have some alcohol. This is just for sanitizing products and any tools that you're going to use. Then I have some face cleanser. If their face is a bit dirty, they haven't like washed their face that morning or whatever, or if they've just taken their makeup off, it's good to make sure you get every little last bit of makeup off of their skin. I have a little Fix Plus here. I just keep this. I've bought this travel sized container once and then I just refill it with my big sized one that I have here. Currently it's filled with the coconut scent, which is my favorite. I'm so glad they brought it back and made it permanent. Then I have some hand sanitizer. This one smells so good. This is the handmade one from Soap and Glory. All of their products smell amazing. Yeah, I really love this one. That one I bought, I got suckered into the little mini aisle of death at Sephora. Then I have some makeup remover. This one is the Garnier oil one. Clean and sensitive 2-in-1 gentle eye makeup remover. Then I have a toner. I believe the toner I have in here is from Neutrogena. So yes, that is all of my skincare foundations, and this is crucial to my kit and I love how everything fits in here. I'm really happy with how this turned out. So yes, that's that. I'm just gonna put all this stuff away and show you my Zuka. Alrighty, so I wouldn't normally put it on my bed, but just so I can show you guys because this is where the lighting is. This is my Zuka case. I have the MAC one that does come with the quilted cover that you can put on top if you are taking it on an airplane or if it's really bad weather where you go with your kit. So yes, I bought this when I was working at MAC, and because it's a MAC one you get discount, so it ended up being super cheap, like way cheaper than I thought it would be buying like a normal Zuka. So I think it was only like 180 or like 200 or something like that, which is so cheap for a Zuka case. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. It's got the steel on the top that can hold weight, so when you're doing jobs, if there's nowhere to sit, you can sit on this, or if you've forgotten a chair for your client, they can sit on that and use that as a chair. So yeah, super handy to have. Then I just have these little side pockets here, so I'm just gonna get into it and start showing you what's inside. So in this little side guy here, I just have some appointment cards. And then in this one, these little lip gloss containers. They're like super tiny, like there's my finger. So I use this if I've made a custom color up for the client and you know they need to touch up with the lipstick but don't have the color, so I scrape the color I've custom made for them in this and then give that to them when I leave. And that has been such a nice finishing touch. Like I can't tell you how happy the clients get when they see that. So yeah, that's really nice. On the opposite side, I have this container. It's like one of those plastic buckets that you can put like all of your products in and put it in your bathroom. I just got this at Daiso, but I actually use it as a trash can so that I throw away all of my own mess when I'm working on a client. And then in this pocket here, whoops, in here, I just keep a bunch of these bags. These are actually used for diapers or nappies, as they call them in Australia. So yeah, and then I will just open that up and put it inside this. Then you open this guy. On this little door part, I have one of these eyelash dryers. So this one is just powered by like a USB, and it's like a little dryer. So there's a little fan there, so you can dry the eyelashes really quick. So then this is what it looks like inside. I have these plastic containers in here, and I will show you what's inside all of them. Okay, so this is all the stuff that fits inside. I know, crazy, right? It's so much stuff, and it fits in this tiny little case. So yeah, I couldn't recommend a Zuka enough. I'm not going to go through each individual one, or else we will literally have like a 2-hour-long video. But I'm just going to show you how I've sectioned it off. So I have all of my cheek products in this one. I have all of my like foundation mixing stuff, powders, concealers, contour in there. Then I have all of my eyeshadows in here. So I have my loose pigments, which you guys saw me make, my custom Z palette, and a bunch of my favorite palettes inside there. Then in this case, I have all of my eyeliners, lip liners, and my eyebrow products are in the separate pencil case that's inside. Then I have all of my eyelashes in this one. I just bulk buy mine from AliExpress. And then I have my lip products in here. So I have lip gloss, liquid lipstick, and my custom made lip palette as well. So yeah, that is what is in my makeup kit. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. If you have any questions or requests, just let me know in the comments.